Hello everyone children, welcome to online drawing classes. Good morning, namaste. How are you children? How are you getting on? How are the things with you children? Yes, this is our drawing class. Yes children, this year we have total 15 drawings. Okay, 5 miniature drawings, 5 object drawings, 5 landscape drawings. Today's topic is miniature drawing. Yes children, today we are going to draw this image. Are you ready with your book and pencil? Yes children, first draw the outline as shown in the video. The children, the pencil should not be sharp, it should be blunt, and the hand should be very easy movement. The hand movement should be very easily, it should move. See in the image, see the video children. Check whether we drew the bulb round or not. Check properly. Now step by step follow the drawing image. First we have to draw the image with the pencil. Draw the outline of the image with the pencil. Lightly, the strokes, the curves, all should draw very lightly children. See how the hand is moving very freely. The hand movement should be always free children. See the curves, how it is. Children, whatever the curve you got, please follow, keep like that only, never use the eraser. From the left side image, you see properly, watch properly from the video and do the simple drawing children. It's very easy children, you know all the strokes. Yes. Curves. If you are not getting children, you can practice on the paper once, then you can draw in the paper, in the book drawing copy. Hope all of you brought your drawing material and books children from the stationery. Good job children. Yes, here we completed our bulb. What are there in the bulb children? Yes, trees. We completed our outline. Now, all of you got your drawing pen? Yes, gel pen children. Did you identify what is the special in this pen? 2 sides brushes were there. Yes, one is the broad brush, one is the fine brush. If you want to draw thin lines, you should use fine brush. Okay. Now take the broad brush and do the outline on the pencil line. Trace on the pencil line. Check properly children the bulb shape of the bulb children. Slowly you do, you'll get it. Children, for practice daily you do half an hour or 1 page at least, all the basics of the strokes, curves, shades of the drawings, basic shades. Okay, then only the hand will move very freely. See in the video, children. What is a miniature, children? Yes, miniature is a small. Mini means small. Nature means, you know the nature scenery, right? Yes. Miniature is used to describe something which is very small, especially small version of something which is normally much bigger. Okay? We are drawing the nature in a small object, right? What is the size of the bulb, children? It is very small. But what we are drawing in the bulb? Yes, the nature, right, children? See, the roots of the plant tree came outside from the bulb. You can give your own strokes, okay? For the roots, children. But the roots should not touch for each other, okay? Now we are drawing the plant trees. Is it not so easy, children? Yes, if you know the curves and the hand movement freely, if you have the free hand movement, you can draw the picture very easily, right, children? Every 1 week we have one video. We should complete one image. Okay, children, first practice on the paper and do it in the book, drawing copy. Okay, and send the image, children, if you completed as per your class teacher's instructions. See, our trees also ready. Here, children, for the branches we can use the fine brush. Okay, for the trunk we should use broad brush, right, children? See our birds are ready. They are flying in a bulb. I hope most of you did some drawing during your vacation. Very good job, children. How were the holidays, children? Did you have an ace time? Wow, that's great. Yes, children, our first topic is miniature. Very interesting, right? Yes, children. Generally, this miniature shading of the drawing will be with the black only, children. See, I am practicing on the paper once. After completing the image, check the bulb one more time. Is it in the round shape or not? And make the outline little broad, children, to get the outlook. Yes, one more time showing the image, children, with the pencil outline. Okay, you should itch the image, children. Okay, see how the outline I am drawing. As per the video, you follow the instructions and do, children. One more time I am showing in the video, children, how to draw the bulb. See, after completing the pencil outline, now trace with the gel pen on the pencil line. Be careful when you are doing with the gel pen, children. If the hand moves here and there, your shape will be out, right? Children, practice the strokes, curves daily whenever you are feeling bored, when you are watching TV. Okay? Do practice, simple practice in your previous books, notebooks. Anyway, on the written pages also you can use. You can draw with the pencil, right? To get the free hand movement. Daily half an hour you practice and make a circles, round circles with the free hand, children. If you get more free hand, you can easily draw any type of images or pictures very easily. Picture, okay? See the roots of the trees? Yes, children. I think you are enjoying the drawing class, right? This year we have a different drawings, children, very interesting, right, children? If you have any other idea also, children, you can draw it on the paper and keep the image to your respected teachers. See how the outline, how the drawing has come. Again, one more time showing the trees, how to draw in the bulb, the branches. Starting it should be broad, and at the end of that branch it should be thin, right, children? Yes. That is a one stroke, one direction stroke, children. That is shading of one direction stroke. Starting it should be broad, at the end it should be thin. I think you all remember the basics. Again, one more time I am drawing the birds, children. Once you check, children, after completing the image, check whether you got the outline exactly or not. If it is not, make one more trace on the outline. Okay, you will get it. First practice how to draw the bulb, children, as in a rough book. You will get it easily. Is it not very simple, children? Wow, see the image. See, now I am doing the outline one more time to get the outline very broad. See, children, I am also practicing with you. Up to next picture you can practice the same picture, children. Otherwise you can draw your own creativity in the bulb also. Okay, stay home and safe, children. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.